Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and the purpose of this video is to show you how to use the percentage calculator to calculate an essay grade according to the English 101 essay rubric number 1. Now, what is this rubric all about? How do we use it to calculate an essay grade? Let me show you. So I'm scrolling down here to the 7 criteria, the conditions or requirements that we use to determine an essay grade. Now there is a line after each criterion, and on each of these lines you will assign a point value. The point value will be between 0 to 5. 0 is the least mastery of a criterion, and a 5 represents the ablest mastery, perfect mastery of a criterion. So let's look at number 1. How does the essay read overall? You assign a point value of 5, it reads perfectly. You have no problems with how it reads, no criticism. If you assign a point value of 0, the opposite extreme, then it doesn't read well at all. A point value of 1 or 2 is still pretty low. A 3 is somewhere in the middle. A 4 is good but not perfect. A 5 is a perfect score. So you will assign points between 0 to 5 for each of the criteria on the lines. And when you're done, you will add them up. Now, they will not add up to more than 35 points. Because you have 7 criteria here, and 7 times 5 is 35. So let's pretend that we've evaluated an essay and we add up the point value for each of the criteria, and we come up with a number of 26. How do we calculate the grade? Let me show you. So we're going to come down here to this row right here, and we're going to write in the number 35 here, which represents 100% of the point value possible to achieve for an essay. Here, we're going to write the actual point value. It's 26, and it is what percent of 35? Let's calculate it. The number we come up with is 74.2857. Now, we need to round this number up or round this number down, and we're going to look at the number to the right of the decimal. Now, we do this if we don't have a perfect score of 100%. So if this number is below a 5, then the point value is simply 74. If it is above a 5, then we would round up to 75. Now, this is below a 5, so the point value is 74. What grade has been achieved? We come up here and we look at the percentages. Okay, so a point value that has been achieved, 26, is 74%. This is a C. However, scores halfway between a grade can receive a plus. For example, a score of 75 will be a C+. So if you come to a score here, you calculate it, and it is halfway between percentage points, add a plus by all means. I hope that this explanation about how to use the percentage calculator to determine a grade according to the English 101 essay rubric number 1 has been useful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox, and ask me a question if it doesn't make sense, or Zoom with me during office hours, or even set up a private Zoom appointment if you need some serious clarification of this video, and I'll be happy to meet with you in a video conference. All right, let's get started calculating the grade for an essay according to the English 101 essay rubric number 1.